Now, if we were trying to insert an item right after a specific target, say for example, insert 100 after 50, so our target is 50. Okay, first we need to create a node with 50 inside, and the next reference, the node dot next is null and the node dot previous is null. And then of course, if the target item is found to be the tail, then we have to add the item 100 um, at the end of the list. That we have to perform or just call the method add to tail, since we have already created the method add to tail. Now, okay, if ever the target item is not the tail, so we need to have a reference variable right after the current item. That is, say for example, we'll be using q. Okay, what do we see? We will be using like a reference variable like q, and for this time we'll be using this color q that will point to the node next to our target. So let q point to this node. Okay, and this reference variable will be used to okay, this will be used for this node, okay, for the new node that we are going to create to be inserted in the list. Now, so in order to alter these links to this new node, first we need to have the okay, this is our current. Okay, since this is our current okay, and this is our current node, and is pointing to this node. Okay, so it's now easy for us to make this current point to our new node. So you'll just say that current dot next point to our new node, and after that um, new node dot previous will point to current. So that is, we are putting this current point to our newly created node. Take note, this is our newly created node. That is, it's not pointing to here anymore, or it's not pointing to the queue anymore, but pointing to our new node. And let this new node dot previous point to current. Okay, like this. And then all we need to do for the new node dot next, Okay, new node dot next will point to Q, that is new node dot next will point to Q, and then Q dot previous will point to new node. Okay, that is you are allowing this Q dot previous will point to our new node. Okay, so that is by printing the list forward. So we have 20, 50, 100, and 30. Okay, so now let's go to the coding. For the coding, now we have to add, okay, we have to add another method like insert after, and we have the target of type integer, and it's the item to be inserted. Next, so here we need to declare a variable current that will start from the head, and then we need to loop and look for the target while current dot item is not equal to the target, and current is not equal to null. So now we have current is equal to current dot next, that will update the pointer to the next node. Now if ever the target item is the tailed item, okay, so if current dot item is equal to tail dot item, so we need to call the method add to tail, and of course pass the item here, else okay, else we need to create a new node named new node with null, item, and null. So the previous and next reference variables are null. Now we need a temporary reference variable q. Say for example, q will be that is pointing to the current dot next. So current dot next, which is this one. Okay, current dot next, since this is our current, and let the current dot next pointed to by a reference variable q. After that, let the current dot next point to our new node, Then new node dot previous is equal to current. Then after that, let the new node dot next is equal to q, okay, and q dot previous point to our new node. Okay, now let's try to save all and try to call insert an item right after 100. So take note, we have add to head 10, 20, 30. They are always add to head. Okay, 10, 20, 30. And add to tail, it's 50. So 50 will be placed right after 10. And then we need to insert after the target item is 10 and we have to insert 100, so it must be 100 will be inserted right after 10, so it must be here. When you print it, okay, let's try to run and try to see the output. So we have 30, 20, 10, 100 and 50. So we have successfully inserted a new item to after the target item. Okay, thank you.